Okay, I don't know, but there is a slight problem. I just spoke to Aisha on WhatsApp. Apparently, she can't see the live streaming. Let me just check if she has been getting it now. I'll just wait for her to see if she gets the notification this time around, and I'll try to connect with her again. Aisha, let me see if. Oh, I don't think she's still online. Aisha, I don't know why. Guys, there's a slight problem with Instagram. I'm not the first person to complain about it. There are a lot of people. I am so sorry, you guys. This is just maddening right now. Anyway, so thank you so much, everybody, for all the lovely comments. Hey, Aisha, you're here. Let me just quickly connect with you. And we have Aisha on board. So yeah, I know Instagram has just been messing up with everybody who's trying to go live these days. I'm not the first person who's been complaining about it. I had a glitch with Anusha the other day as well.
Hello.
And we have Aisha. Hi, Aisha.
Finally.
Finally. How are you?
Should I keep it straight like this?
Yeah. It has. Yeah.
Okay.
You look great. How's quarantine treating you?
भाई थोड़ा सा मेकअप लगा लिया मैंने कहा चलो फिर लोगों ने देखनी है शक्ल तो कुछ लगा ही लेते हैं you know you look lovely too. Yeah,
what happened to your hand?
Just a second, I'm trying to just put my thing stable. Yeah, my hand got cut yesterday early morning, as in परसों रात सुबह 4 बजे I was washing dishes and it got cut, and it was a really bad cut. There was a lot of blood everywhere. So yeah.
And you were working out with this hand?
I wasn't. मैं weights नहीं उठा रही थी, मैं कोई pressure नहीं डाल रही थी साथ पे, but I did accidentally put some pressure on it. I was doing abs. I'm feeling so unhealthy and I put on weight. And मैंने 2 sessions किए हैं hydro के साथ, so let's see.
All right, Aisha, I think there was just a problem with Instagram, but I'm glad you're here now. And I'm so glad to have you on board. So Aisha, just to start off the conversation, give me a little update on what you've been doing, what's keeping you busy, what's your life been like, how's the quarantine changed your routine?
Okay, मुझे लग रहा था कि क्वारंटीन में मैं बहुत फारिग होंगी और बहुत टाइम होगा मेरे पास सारी वो चीजें करने के लिए जो पेंडिंग है, like you know fixing my cupboards or fixing some drawers or I don't know, doing a lot of things. लेकिन अभी तक कुछ नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ कुछ ना करने में. No, I'm busy doing a lot of household chores because मेरे पास कोई domestic staff नहीं है, कोई help नहीं है. तो ना driver है, ना cleaning के लिए कोई है, ना खाने के लिए. I'm completely alone, and I think you are too, right?
I am too. Yes, I have my pet, but that's just it.
You have nobody to do anything?
No, I don't. Not now because of the lockdown. So yeah, spent the entire Sunday cleaning the house.
Yeah, भाई मैं जिस दिन मेरा हाथ कटा था मैं उस दिन I was also cleaning the entire house, and in fact I try and clean the kitchen to rose clean. Oops, what's happening? Should we switch this way or no we can't. Okay, this has to be this way. Okay, my phone, I'm just actually really stupid. I'll get another.
Yeah, sure.
I'm just trying to balance it on something really like idiot. Chal, ab sahi.
Yeah, much better.
So, where was I? हाँ, kitchen और बर्तन और वो सब कुछ तो रोज होता है, right? But obviously I'm not cleaning the house every day. So I'm washing dishes and I am खाना भी पका रही हूँ, अपने सारे meals खुद ही बना रही होती हूँ, कुछ frozen चीजें हैं उनको defrost कर लेती हूँ. नाश्ता मेरा fresh होता है, you know, I make an omelette or an egg. उसके अलावा I'm watching too much news, बहुत ज़्यादा.
And it gets so depressing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. But इतने memes और इतने articles इतने ग्रुप्स में आ रहे होते हैं और इतनी चीजें वीडियोस के पूरा दिन मैं वो भी देखती रहती हूँ. अच्छा, some of them are very informative, right?
Okay.
So I I try and open the ones जो मुझे लग रहा होता है कि इनमें कोई information है. Because I like to stay informed.
Yeah.
लेकिन फिर जो funny वाले होते हैं उनको भी पढ़ने में मजा आता है बहुत ज्यादा और देखने में. You know, the
And
funny
I think
videos
you've
are also
been,
like.
yeah, and you know the good thing is that a lot of people are trying to, you know, keep everybody entertained. You've been pretty active on your Instagram as well. What have you been doing? You've been, I know you're a fitness person. You've been working out regularly.
No, just twice. मैंने 2 सेशंस किए हाइड्रो के साथ और अब मैं कल करूंगी एक और वो काफी फनी होते हैं क्योंकि मैं काफी चीजें गलत कर लेती हूँ फिर हाइड्रो मुझे डांटते भी हैं और लोग आई एम सो सॉरी I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode तो calls आ रही हैं बीच में
That's fine.
But
That's
anyways, I'll
fine.
keep,
So Aisha, you have, yeah.
Give me a second.
Sure, take your time.
I'm back. Okay.
Yes.
So मैं walk करती हूँ. I live in a building compound जिसमें बहुत space है without being close to anyone to be able to walk. So मैं walk पे हूँ नीचे अक्सर रोज आधा घंटा 45 minutes walk कर लेती हूँ. आज मैंने सिर्फ आधा घंटा किया है अभी. So yeah, that's what I do. I watch a lot of documentaries and I then I'm you know researching for Instagram. मैं शुरू में बहुत चीजें forward कर रही थी लोगों को फिर मैंने कहा बस यार everybody's forwarding stuff to each other. I'm sure कि मेरे forward करने के भी चीजें पहुंच जाएंगी लोगों को. Yeah. So yeah, I mean you know it's been what 10 days.
It's been quite a while, and I think everybody's getting a little angsty. But it's good that you know you're getting productive. People are fine, like you know, it's giving you time to reflect upon your life. I'm sure you have a busy routine. You're getting time to yourself after quite some time. I'm sure.
I am. I don't really dislike it. I kind of really like it, but of course I miss physical contact with friends. क्योंकि मुझे you know, I love hugging my friends, and I'm very like. Cozy and cuddly, and when I sit with my girls and we sit and we hug each other and we talk, so I miss all that a lot. But yeah, it's not that bad. I'm very thankful. Gratitude में बहुत ज़्यादा आजकल practice क्योंकि I'm like you know I have my head. मेरे पास खाना है, मेरे पास you know, I'm not worried about my finances right now. I'm saving. So, you know, I'm very thankful कि हम बहुत
Alhamdulillah,
बेहतर हैं. Yeah. ठीक है, सब काम खुद करने हैं, लेकिन you know, I don't mind it.
So Aisha, yesterday when I put up your picture on my story, there were so many people who just wanted to ask how you've been in the entertainment industry. You've progressed, so you've come so far, and so people just wanted to know about your journey. So tell me, you went to NCA.
एक बड़ा interesting किसी ने comment डाला है हाथ पे क्या हुआ? Oh. I thought somebody wrote something else. Somebody asked हाथ पे क्या हुआ? भाई हाथ कट गया और आप डरे मत. मतलब ये इतना भी ऐसे पूरा नहीं कटा, लेकिन you know with the bandage it looks like पता नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ही कट गया.
Yeah, it actually looks pretty bad.
I mean it was quite bad because it bled a lot. शायद इसलिए क्योंकि मैं एक supplement भी खा रही हूँ, which is a bit of a blood thinner. You know, उसका एक side effect है, which is, I mean, it's really good for you. It's difficult to pronounce it. Ginkgo biloba. It's very good for your brain. आपके दिमाग के लिए अच्छा होता है. लेकिन वो आपका blood थोड़ा thin करता है. तो मुझे लगा कि I bled more because of that. Maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe not. It was actually एक vein कटा था ना, तो
oh God, please be careful.
हाँ, बहुत खून निकला, लेकिन I did not get a tetanus shot क्योंकि घर का अपना ग्लास था और
Okay.
मैं the cut is quite deep, but ने इसके ऊपर हल्दी और कोकोनट ऑयल लगाया हुआ है, ठीक है? तो इसलिए मैंने इतनी ज्यादा बैंडेज किया है,
Yeah, to
because
safeguard it.
I want to keep the turmeric in place, you know.
Yeah.
और ये एक बहुत ही नोन रेमेडी है. इट्स नॉट कि मैं अपना कोई देसी टोटका आजमाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Turmeric is very good for wounds and cuts. Okay.
Yeah.
In fact, मतलब इतना उसका इफेक्ट इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है turmeric का, हल्दी का. It's antibacterial, it kills bacteria and infections. इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि अगर आपको कुछ ना मिले, किसी का कोई एक्सीडेंट हो और समथिंग, एंड आई मीन अगर आपको हल्दी मिल जाए इमीडिएटली, घर में कोई कट हो तो आप इमीडिएटली हल्दी डालें अपने कट के ऊपर या इन्फेक्शन के
And
ऊपर.
that's such a good stay-at-home remedy, considering that, you know, people
Yeah.
are on lockdown. A lot of people can't go out of their houses, so that's a good stay-at-home
Yeah.
remedy for everybody who's watching.
So I didn't want to go फजूल में कि मैं जाऊं इमरजेंसी में और कोई मतलब अपने आप को और वो करूं एक्सपोज टू germs.
Yeah.
Of course, if it was needed, I would have immediately gone. But I went to an emergency near my house. It's like a little pharmacy within an emergency. और उन्होंने भी क्लीन करके बैंडेज कर दिया था उस वक्त. उसके बाद मैं रोज इसको खुद ही अपने लेफ्ट हैंड से मैं इस पे कोकोनट ऑयल और टर्मरिक. कोकोनट ऑयल इसलिए क्योंकि अगर आप ड्राई हल्दी लगाएंगे तो वो गिर जाएगी ना बार बार. It's gonna sprinkle off. So to make an ointment, आप उसको कोकोनट ऑयल के साथ मिक्स करें.
Yeah.
And
wow,
I also eat it.
I didn't know that. You eat the turmeric mixed with the oil.
I eat turmeric mixed with the black pepper and coconut oil every day. And honey.
Wow. Yeah. That does not sound very tempting, but okay.
It's delicious and it's very good for you.
Is it?
मुझे बताओ, yeah, are you a healthy, like, are you into natural remedies or natural sort of healing? Are you into that?
You know, I'll tell you something. If I ever get an injury, I'm very careless about it. So I just let it heal on its own. You know, I am that person. I'm the careless, reckless person. So I haven't really studied up on it. I don't practice a lot of remedy. And then, you know, when you're always on the run, you don't really get time. So no.
I mean, मैं भी कुछ ज्यादा उस तरह कट्स को कौन इम्पोर्टेंस देता है? इतने रोज कोई कट लगता है यार मुझे तो. I'm so accident prone. But if it's something which is very deep and the blood is not stopping, या infection हो सकता है या उसमें pain है, तो then तो definitely, you know, just remember कि turmeric and coconut oil is a very, very effective healing sort of.
No, I am going to remember this. This is very, like, it's a good handy remedy. I am going to remember this. So
recently बहुत सारे videos, like I was live a little while ago also with someone, और recently बहुत videos circulate कर रहे हैं और बहुत research हो रही है कि कलौंजी जो है वो अपनी diet में include करें. आजकल वैसे तो हमेशा होना कलौंजी में हर चीज का cure है except for death, it says. Okay, scientific research has also proved it. Or Tibbe Nabwi. Do you know what Tibbe Nabwi is?
Nope. Wait, you said Tibbe Nabwi?
Yeah.
Is this what the Prophet used to practice to like heal himself? Okay, I didn't get you there. Yeah, of course I know what Tibbe Nabwi is.
You know what Tibbe Nabwi is, right?
Yeah,
means like Tib means medicine or healing.
Yeah, healing.
Healing, right? So it's a whole book जिसमें compiled है वो सारी चीजें that you know our prophet used to take, जिसमें खजूर और olives और ये सारी चीजें हैं. Kalonji is given a lot of importance. और मेरी अम्मी हमेशा हमें winters में kalonji और अजवाइन सुबह खिलाने की कोशिश करती थी। और अब क्योंकि मैं अकेली रहती हूँ तो वो सारी चीजें मैं खुद करती हूँ।
Wow. But it's good. It's good that you get to learn bits and pieces, and obviously if it's part of sunnah, then why not practice it at home?
Yeah. Do you have any daily ritual like that?
I don't really get hurt much, honestly, and
No, it's not about getting hurt. I'm talking about अपनी diet में आप कोई healthy चीजें
okay,
include.
no. So I know that you have also made that shift to organic food, living by myself also, and then being on the go. I really haven't made that shift yet, but I want to. I do want to cut out unnecessary fats, cholesterols out of my diet. I do want to do it, but I'm having a hard time making that shift.
So do you have like a really unhealthy diet?
Not an unhealthy diet. I mean, I don't have a calorie count. I want to put it like that. I don't have a calorie count.
I don't either. I've never counted calories in
No,
my
but
life.
I don't have unhealthy. Like, I don't order out every single day. I try to cook my own food. I eat vegetables. I try to have honey water, lemon water early in the morning. I work out every single day. So yeah,
that's great. Are you working out, Ashkan?
I'm working out at home. I'm following this program called the Insanity Program by Shaun T. So it's a 45-minute cardio workout.
Is it good? Fun?
It's not fun. It's very, very tough. It's not fun. I mean, it is not easy. I do, because the class the people who are in his class are all spinning instructors and gymnastic instructors. So he's training with them. God. So if you train with him, it's a little hard, but you get the hang of it. It's not that hard.
अच्छा, तो can anyone join कभी भी आप उस program में?
No, so it's all online. You can download the videos and there's a calendar with it. So वो आपको बताता है कि day 1 पे कौन सी exercise करनी है. You open that video, you put it on your screen, and then you replicate whatever he's doing in the video.
Oh my God, that sounds tough. I want to do this too.
Yes, do it. It's such a good, I mean, it gives me such a good sleep at night. I can't even tell you. Like, it's just great.
Really? Oh my God. Yeah. Sleeping के तो बड़े issues हो रहे हैं मुझे तो नींद ही नहीं आती.
Damn. So you have insomnia?
I do. I think because I'm not tiring myself enough now.
I honestly feel like that. Yeah, I feel like the more you tire yourself, the better sleep you have. But that's just me.
इतने मजे के कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. एक बंदा कह रहा है, मुन्ना पता नहीं कौन, आयशा कैमरा थोड़ा नीचे करें. भाई क्यों करें?
I mean, internet trolls.
I know, but you know what? Now I just find it hilarious कि लोग attention के लिए क्या चीजें लिखते हैं. ये लो आपको attention दे दी.
Aisha, how long have you been dealing with cyberbullying? How long, and how do you deal with it? Like, I mean, does it get to you? Does it? How do you deal
long? With it? What do you mean how long? I don't get it. Like, I mean,
how long as in being in the industry, being in the spotlight, you are under attack more than you are when you're not under the spotlight like that.
Of course, that comes it's part and parcel of your job. Yeah, जब से Instagram आया है तभी से हम deal कर रहे हैं. In fact, जब से social media, I mean, when I grew up, there was no internet when I was young. So हमने तो वो दोनों eras देखे हैं जिसमें there was no social media, there was no कोई social networking sites नहीं थी, कोई किसी की बकवास नहीं सुनता था, कोई किसी की फिर अच्छी आपको criticism भी सुनने में नहीं मिलता था, you know. So it's a bit of both. I love connecting with my fans also. I love it. But of course, हर चीज में, you know, there's a pro and a con. Lots of pros and lots of cons. So cyberbullying तो है, और वो trolls को तो सिर्फ attention चाहिए होती है. That's it. That's all they're doing. These are just people who actually are extremely insecure people who are very insecure of themselves, and they take out their insecurities, their anger, their frustrations. अब कहाँ निकालेंगे? किसके ऊपर directly जाके निकालेंगे? यहीं बैठ के कर सकते हैं ना? So I find them very, मतलब मुझे तो लगता है बड़े बुज़दिल लोग हैं ना.
And also, you've been very vocal about these things, you know, regarding your own life, regarding other people going through it. You've been vocal about the Me Too movement. You've been vocal about the Aurat March. You've spoken about your own, you know, your own experiences with such things. And it's very brave for you to speak about this. Not a lot of people are comfortable. I mean, I might not be fully comfortable talking about it.
Well, I'm not as brave as other people. मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा brave लोग हैं और मैं बहुत उनके लिए I'm in awe of those people who actually really don't care about you know कि लोग कितना उनको backlash देंगे, लेकिन they stand up for their whatever they believe in. So I try to take a stand for things that I believe in, the right things, but it's also very, sometimes it gets very frustrating and very scary, you know. Because you're just like, it's this. But I was talking to somebody the other day and I was like, you know, it's very sad कि औरतें ख़वातीन पाकिस्तान में मतलब अपने मुल्क में बहुत कम ख़वातीन safe feel करती हैं. Do you feel safe entirely all the time? No.
No, not entirely. No.
Yeah, like I feel safe in my home, but there are women who don't even feel safe in their homes.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि उनको किसी ना किसी family member से या उनको कोई you know they're facing domestic violence or या कोई sexual harassment हो रही है by a family member. So there are lots of women out there who are not even safe in their own houses. And okay, that's all over the world. लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा हम unsafe feel करते हैं, and that's really sad. It shouldn't be like that, you know. So yes, being brave is very scary in Pakistan, you know. So क्योंकि you're putting yourself out there, you're saying something that you believe in, and आपको हर किस्म की comments सुनने होते हैं, आपको हर किस्म की opinions सुननी होती हैं, and some of them are very, you know, comments, opinions, criticism is all over the world.
100%,
but a lot of the people here are very judgmental about your character, and they'll, you know, raise fingers at your morality. तो ये कुछ चीजें जिनसे दूर रहना चाहिए लोगों को, क्योंकि if they, for example, even if they bring religion into anything, तो आप ये खुद सोचें कि हमारा खुदा अल्लाह ही जज करने वाले हैं, हम तो इंसान तो बिल्कुल किसी काबिल नहीं है कि हम किसी को जज करें, right? So it's between us and our Allah. तो ये लोग भूल जाते हैं, you know. So Durre, somebody is saying, what happened on your hand? Yeah, Durre, cut क्या था? I got a cut while washing dishes. Yeah.
So Aisha,
so what do you feel? I have a question for you. You're also, you know, you're a model, and it's tough being a model in Pakistan. How do you feel about being judged or breaking taboos or these stereotypes that are created? How do you feel about that?
I think the kind of life I've had, I've grown to become like I have very thick skin now, you know, like I've become very insensitive to my own self. So aksar, you know, when people write any sort of things against me, or if there's any sort of discussion happening, it's very easy for me to avoid that, even mentally. But I know how, you know, like how my friendships have been affected just because I'm a model and they don't agree with my profession, or they don't agree with the kind of work that I do. There are people who've come up to me and told me, you're making haram money, it's not okay. So it has gone from 0 to 100.
Who decides? कौन decide करता है कि हराम और हलाल money क्या है यार? मतलब अच्छा चलो.
But no, you know, I think I have thick skin now. I also seek counseling professionally. That has really helped me. Anybody who asks me, how do you deal with it? So I have started taking therapy. That's really, really helped me. I've been going for a month and a half now, and it's been great.
Wow.
Yeah. So, you know, I'm working on bits and pieces of myself. And when you start working on yourself, you know, बहुत सी चीजें बेहतर हो जाती हैं.
बहुत सी चीजें. I agree with you. किसी ने अथर शाज हैं कोई, उन्होंने बोला था कि Aisha, once I met you in the market in Defense, and you met with me like you are my friend, and my mom was like, ये तुम्हारी दोस्त है? And I said, अम्मी ये खूबसूरत है. Aww. Okay, thank you. I used to sing
That was
that
so
after.
sweet. How
Yeah,
sweet.
that's okay.
So
Sweet.
Aisha, you tell me about your fitness regime, about you're eating healthy, you've moved to organic food. How do you eat healthy on a budget? Because लोगों
No,
के दिमाग
no.
में
What you
you
say?
can't shift to.
What? No, hold on, hold on, hold on. When did I move to organic food?
Have you not?
या मतलब लोग कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. कहाँ से आएगा ऑर्गेनिक फूड पाकिस्तान में हर वक्त? जरा मुझे
Hena,
बताओ.
but you know, like I saw your Facebook post. I think you were asking somebody where you could get no, that was that chia seeds that you were looking for.
Yeah, but I haven't moved to organic foods.
Yeah.
Whatever I find, कुछ मिल जाए सुपरमार्केट में तो मैं जरूर ऑर्गेनिक उठा लेती हूँ. या
But
मैं
do you
when I
think
trust,
healthy eating is like expensive? क्योंकि लोगों के दिमाग में ये है, to stay fit, you need to spend a lot of
it
money on
is.
eating the right food.
I mean, अगर आप अपनी होम ग्रोन चीजें खाएं, हमारे पास सब्जियां हैं, हमारे पास हमारे मुल्क में बहुत कम केमिकल्स के साथ चीजें उग रही होती हैं. वी कैन फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेश गुड वेजीज. ऐसी बहुत सारी छोटी आई बिलीव कंपनीज हैं जो बना रही हैं ऑर्गेनिक, सॉरी, हु ग्रोइंग ऑर्गेनिक वेजिटेबल्स एंड स्टफ. लेकिन यस, इट इज एक्सपेंसिव टू बी हेल्थी. इट्स चीपर टू बी अनहेल्थी. हमारी, और ये पूरी दुनिया में है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट इन
100,
पाकिस्तान.
yeah.
खैर, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड स्टिल हम लोगों के पास एक्सेस है टू हेल्थियर फूड फॉर चीपर रेट्स. लेकिन हमारे मुल्क में ऑर्गेनिक चीजें और नेचुरल चीजें बहुत ज्यादा महंगी हैं. तो आप कोई खालिस शहद और ऑयल्स भी लेने चले जाएं तो दे बी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. एंड प्रोसेस चीजें ज्यादा सस्ती आपको मिलेंगी. सो people think, oh, आप तो ऑर्गेनिक खाती है. नो, आई मीन, मैं जो मेरे लिए पॉसिबल होता है ह्यूमनली वो मैं करती हूँ. जितनी मैं खा सकती हूँ ऑर्गेनिक नेचुरल चीजें मैं खा लेती हूँ. मैं पराठे भी खाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं गंदम नहीं खाती. आई डोंट ईट व्हीट टू मच.
Okay.
मेरा जो पराठा है वो बाजरे और जौ का बनता है. सो आई डोंट काउंट कैलोरीज. आई काउंट न्यूट्रिशन. मुझे
Nice.
किसी चीज से फायदा जो हो रहा होता है, that matters to me.
I hope I make that shift, if not to completely organic food. Like, I want to, move to a healthier lifestyle.
But you
The
work
kind of
out
work
a lot. I wish
I
I
do.
did.
I do. I
I
work
don't.
out every single day.
I don't ना, ये प्रॉब्लम है. मैं 3 महीने में 2 दिन चली गई, फिर मैं महीने में कोई 4 दिन चली गई. मेरा तो ऐसी रूटीन होती थी. So that's
So
one thing that I
Aisha,
really.
you travel a lot. अभी मुझे चली गई से याद आया. You are a travel junkie. You travel a lot.
Yes.
What has been your favorite destination? And once the Corona pandemic dies down, what's on the calendar?
Well, I was supposed to go to Turkey with my girlfriends. मेरी जो बचपन की childhood friends हैं, who are my best friends. हम 6 लड़कियों का एक ग्रुप है. तो उनमें से एक की बर्थडे ट्रिप के लिए हम जा रहे थे जून में टू इस्तांबुल. ऑफ कोर्स वो कैंसिल हो गई है क्योंकि वी डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोना हैपन. सो दैट वाज अ समर प्लान. And then we were going to go to Greece as well, Mykonos.
Wow.
A few of us. I think, I've always loved New York, and sadly, New York is the worst hit right now.
Yeah.
मतलब आप देखो, the coolest city in the world, the most happening city in the world, the coolest is relative, is now, it's in such a bad state. So I love New York. I love I love Greece. I love Mexico.
You've been to Greece, and I think I met you pre-New Year's. You were telling me that you were going to go to Mexico for New Year's, or maybe early Jan. I think we had that conversation.
I went end of January, bilkul.
Oh.
But also, yeah, I love going to the northern areas in Pakistan. I love it. It's like one of my favorite places in the world. Hunza and Gilgit. Really, I love Hunza. So I've been multiple times. मैं हमारे पाकिस्तान के अंदर भी बहुत ज्यादा मैं ट्रैवल करती रही हूँ. But that was before I was very active on Instagram. So I've done a lot of camping trips up north also, you know, like when I was in
Nice.
college. 5-6 दफा गई थी. So I actually think that when the lockdown finishes, I want to travel in Pakistan. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, that,
Maybe not.
and a lot of
Maybe
people
not
don't
around the
understand the
world.
kind of beauty that our northern areas have. Like, I think people underestimate Pakistan's northern areas for its beauty.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what I want to do. I want to go to Hunza. Yeah, I do. Actually, it's interesting कि मेरी एक दोस्त की शादी भी है अगस्त में in Hunza. अब पता नहीं उसका क्या होता है.
Wow. I hope it all goes
Yeah.
well. August तो भी काफी दूर है.
I mean, it's a destination wedding, or even I feel that if I was, when I will get married, inshallah, one day, तो
Inshallah.
मैं भी अपनी शादी हुंजा में करूंगी.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
So Aisha, Abhi, has the quarantine also affected work? I mean, what were your projects? Are projects on hold?
They're all on hold, Jan. But it's totally affected work. It's like we shot for Bulbule for about 5 episodes till the lockdown. और
Yeah.
फिर lockdown हो गई and then we stopped. और काम सारा रुका हुआ है. बस घर से कुछ videos बन जाते हैं. I have a YouTube channel and I should be making videos and vlogs, but I am feeling so uncreative and unproductive. कि मुझसे नहीं हो रहा यार, और मैं बहुत ज्यादा गिल्ट फील करती हूँ कि मैं नहीं कर रही कुछ, और लोग घर पे बैठ के बड़ी कूल वीडियोस बना रहे होते हैं, and I feel like a real loser, but I'm forgiving myself for it. It's okay.
Of course, of course. So Aisha, you have also been really active in the singing game. You've been acting, you've hosted, you've been in dramas and films. It's just you're an all-rounder. So, but we don't get to see you sing anymore as much as people would like to. So, have you ever thought of that? Maybe adopting it full time?
Now you're giving me more guilt, और अब तुम मेरी जो सेल्फ गिल्ट है उसको तुम एक ट्रिगर कर दिया. तुमने मेरी सेल्फ गिल्ट को थोड़ा सा और ट्रिगर कर दिया, क्योंकि I think about it all the time and I feel terrible about it because I do want to sing, और मैं बस रियाज नहीं करती, और मैं अब मतलब यार प्लीज अब भी नहीं मैं ये डिप्रेसिंग बातें कर सकती.
Also, no, because when FDBM came in and you had that track of yours and everybody
like
went wild, there was such good feedback on that.
Yeah, I know. It was so much fun. In fact, you know, I was just talking to Vic yesterday, Victorian, kal ya parson.
Yeah.
And I took him on a live chat like this. I was live and he came online and we spoke. And you know, he's a great soul. वो बेचारा अभी Indonesia में stuck है, but I mean it's better. He lives in New York, so it's better than being in New York.
Yeah.
It was so much fun collaborating with them, और मुझे इतना मजा. It was such an adrenaline rush. It was such
And
a
what
high.
feedback did he get?
Excellent, yeah, excellent. We all got excellent feedback और बहुत मजा आया. So I do want to sing more. In fact, अभी बड़े मजे की बात. Before I went live with you, Zahid, the guy who was from Tamasha, जो guitar पे था, जिसके साथ मैंने मिलके compose किया था वो, he's like, Aisha, do you want to do an acoustic version and do you want to do something? And I'm like, अभी मैंने जवाब नहीं दिया, but I do. I mean, I should be doing so much more.
I think everybody is like really unproductive, so cut yourself some slack. You're being too hard on yourself. It's completely fine. We're all stuck at home.
I'm feeling too much guilt and too much stress, and फिर मेरा सारा टाइम खाने पकाने और बर्तन धोने में चला जाता है. You know, so
you're absolutely right. इंसान एक चीज बनाता है, उसको प्लेट में निकालता है. By the time you're done, there are like 10 dishes in the sink.
I know. So I'm just like, oh God, यार मतलब खाना ना बनाओ फिर मतलब बर्तन धोते रहो या खाना पकाते रहो.
I swear.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
It is
But
pretty bad.
it's okay, you know. It's fine. I'll try and sing.
Yeah, you should. You should. And I think, for somebody like you, you were there, and I mean, I saw that video. Couldn't attend the event, but the kind of
अच्छा
feedback you were
बहुत
getting, all of ना पूछो.
नहीं, sorry, there's something in my throat. I've been talking too long. मैंने सांस ले ली बहुत जल्दी. So you know how you just breathe in and something gets stuck in your throat.
Yeah.
I'm saying लोग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. Can you read their questions? Let's talk to the fans, na?
Let's do it. There are a lot of people saying hi. So a lot of people, everybody who's online, you can ask whatever you have to ask. Aisha is going to take your questions now.
You're so graceful. अब ये तुम्हें कह रहे हैं मुझे?
Probably you.
No, you're so graceful, Mush. What are you saying? You
Oh,
are.
thank you, Aisha.
अभी I was live a little while ago. और मैंने क्योंकि फोन करीब पकड़ा हुआ था and somebody is like पकौड़ा नाक. I was like हाँ भाई यही है नाक, पकौड़ा ही है.
I mean, it's also it's. I think all of us have somehow gotten immune to all of this. So, Aisha,
no,
do you want to take any questions?
I find body shaming really horrible. I just feel like किसी की features या body parts पे या उनकी physical appearance के ऊपर इस तरह comment करना इतना pathetic है कि उसका level बहुत नीचे है. So I just feel like you cannot make someone feel bad about things that they don't have control over. I mean, sure, कुछ चीजों पे control होता है. You can make your self fitter and whatever. लेकिन जो features आपको अल्लाह ने दिए हैं, आप मतलब क्या मैं करूँ उनका? तो आप अगर मेरे features को बुरा कह रहे हैं, तो आप मतलब अल्लाह की कुदरत को बुरा कह रहे हैं. तो मतलब यही है फिर क्या करें?
Aisha, so people have started pouring in questions. They're asking, can you please tell your skincare routine? Your skin is shining. What remedies? Please share.
My skin is shining because I just put on some shimmer, baby.
But what do you do for your skincare, Aisha? Because I've seen your skin. You have great skin.
No, यार, अब क्या मैं बताऊँ? हाँ, ठीक है, मतलब सही है. I invest in good makeup.
Chalo.
No. Okay, wait. I try and drink a lot of water.
Yeah.
पानी तो जितना आप पिए आपके लिए उतना अच्छा है. I drink a lot of. I try eating a lot of olives. और मैं extra virgin olive oil का एक चमचा पीती भी हूँ रोज. It's very good for your skin. It makes your skin definitely shine. It keeps it lubricated. ठीक है. और एप्पल साइडर विनेगर भी रोज सुबह पानी के साथ पीनी चाहिए. मैं पी रही थी पिछले हफ्ते रोज. अब 2-3 दिनों से नहीं पी रही और सुबह उठ के मैं बहुत कॉफी पीती हूँ. So bad.
Black coffee.
I love black coffee. It's my
you can't have coffee any other way. I feel like it's just supposed to be like that. Just milk and coffee. Water and coffee. I'm sorry. I don't drink milk myself.
No milk.
Water, 100%.
No sugar.
No milk, no sugar. No milk. Yes.
It's the best. And you know, sometimes I put coconut oil in my coffee. But क्या कहते हैं, जब मैं when I used to drink milk, जब मैं dairy consume करती थी, और मैं कहती थी लोग किस तरह black coffee पीते हैं यार, कड़वी काली coffee.
I was there too.
But when you get used to it,
you can't go back to milk.
And you are addicted. Then तो आप कभी बर्दाश्त ही नहीं कर सकते उसमें दूध.
And आपको पर यकीन नहीं आता कि I used to have coffee with milk and sugar. Then you think about it.
It makes मैं सिप अगर कर लेती हूँ दूध वाली और चीनी वाली कॉफी, तो it makes me nauseous.
I know.
Yeah, I'm like no. I like my coffee black. So So yeah, fruits and vegetables जितनी खाएं अच्छा मैं I believe in eating a lot of vitamins. बहुत सारे लोग डिबेट करते हैं इस बात पे कि नहीं आपको नहीं खाने चाहिए विटामिन सप्लीमेंट्स लेकिन लोगों ने जो बोलना है बोले मैं तो खाती हूँ आई लव इट एंड इट गिव्स मी एनर्जी क्योंकि जब हमारी डाइट परफेक्ट नहीं है जब हम एक बैलेंस्ड सब्जियां और फलों वाली हर वक्त डाइट नहीं खा रहे तो जो एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं आपको अगर वो नहीं मिल रहे तो आप अच्छे ऑर्गेनिक vitamins मैं organic खाती हूँ that's my one big extravagance whenever I travel mushk and now that I'm not traveling and won't be able to travel
not anytime soon I mean अभी तो कोई सीन ही नहीं लग रहा है
और सबसे ज्यादा दुख ही इस बात का है कि सप्लाई खत्म हो रही है vitamins की so I buy very good quality organic vitamins and I bring back a lot of them. So वो मैं खाती हूँ बहुत. Yeah.
Abhi, there was somebody asking in the comments, people are asking about your home food or what's your comfort food during the time of lockdown?
Okay. Coffee is my comfort food. And I eat a lot of dried fruit. मैं बहुत पिस्ते और बादाम और काजू और I'm eating a lot of dried cherries जो मैंने लेके रखी हुई थी. That's my comfort food. And I have some dark chocolate comfort food. अब वो खत्म हो रही है मेरी stash dark chocolate का. और and there's this really nice blueberry honey that a friend of mine gave me. So I have that with homemade bread, which जो bread भी मेरी जो barley और bajre bani हुई bread है. So I have that a lot. Yeah, this type की चीजें. I'm not eating too many like snacks, like salty snacks. I'm not doing that yet. But अब मुझे लग रहा है कि वो time आने वाला है कि वो
Okay then.
रिमशा कहती है आयशा आपका डाइट प्लान बताओ. हाय 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 बताया तो था थोड़ी देर पहले.
I think people are still logging in and there's so many people who are messaging in, saying their highs, saying their hellos.
Hello.
So Aisha.
Hello. Ehsan is saying good to see you. Good to see you too. Ahad Raza Mir 55 कह रहे हैं. और Abdullah 4122 Khan कह रहे हैं hot. Thank you from both of us, Abdullah.
This has been great, Aisha.
इतना मेकअप करके लाइव पे कौन आता है? एक्चुअली मैंने इतना मेकअप नहीं किया हुआ. मैंने कंसीलर लगाया हुआ थोड़ा सा, मैंने आईलाइनर लगाया है, मैंने ब्लश लगाया है और मैंने शिमर हल्की सी लगाई. यार लगा लो, मतलब कर ही लेते हैं, अपने लिए कर लेते हैं, आपके लिए कर लेते हैं. Why not?
Of course, and you look great.
And then maybe I can go on house party and party with my friends, the app, and look pretty there.
Everybody's joining house party. It's insane. I get like 10 notifications every day. Kisne bhi join kar liya, kisne bhi join kar liya.
I put my notifications off. It was annoying me so much.
It is so annoying.
Yeah.
Yes,
मेरी सारी नोटिफिकेशंस बंद है हर चीज की फोन में. सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप की जो सिंगल कॉन्वर्सेशंस होती है उनकी नोटिफिकेशंस आती हैं, बाकी सारी बंद है. नो ईमेल, नो मैसेंजर, किसी ऐप की नोटिफिकेशन ऑन नहीं है. एंड दैट्स द ओनली वे टू बी सेन.
There's so many people who are messaging saying, please read my comment, please read my comment.
Umar is saying, you were superb at Solace Festival. Thank you, Umar. I had so much fun. Hussein is saying, you should not be in guilt situation these days is not suitable for anyone. Yeah, I guess it isn't. It isn't. But guilt to ho rahi hai bahut zyada. Bahut zyada.
So,
Anam says, take my name. Hi, Anam.
There are people asking for shout outs now, aren't they?
Yeah. अच्छा क्या करें अब? जाएं फिर? खत्म करें?
खत्म करते हैं क्योंकि काफी लंबा हो गया and it's been great and I've thoroughly enjoyed this and we should do this more often.
We,
I mean, I don't
you
know
know
how
what?
long the
I have
lockdown
an
is going to
idea.
go.
I have an idea. You should come live on my Instagram.
Yes, I'll do that for sure.
I'll let you know. Okay?
For sure. For sure. That
Okay,
would be great, Aisha. And
yeah,
thank you
until
so much for
then,
agreeing to do this and taking out time for me.
you're welcome. Sorry, I keep moving around so much. Yeah, this fidgety
No,
hua tha.
it's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine. I'll catch you soon. Once all of this is over, you take care, all right?
All right.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Thank
Love,
you.
love. Bye.
Bye. So, you guys, that was our chit chat with Aisha Omar, and we had a fun talk about fitness routines, about stay at home remedies, about eating healthy, about what to do and what not to do in a lockdown. Let me know how you guys are all celebrating your lockdown. For tomorrow, we have a very special guest, somebody who's been very active in not only the social work, but has also been very active in the Pakistani entertainment industry. She's a great actress. She also has made a name for herself for all the social work that she's been doing. She's an all-rounder, and her name needs no introduction, even though I just gave you one. But we are going to have Sarwat Gilani tomorrow online at 9 p.m. So I'll see you guys then. Also, thank you so much for everybody who's been commenting and messaging. And yeah, this has been great. Thank you so much, everybody. I can see a lot of people that I know from IBA who've logged in today. Thank you so much, guys. Your love and support means a lot to you. I'll see you all tomorrow, same time, 9 p.m. on my Instagram. Mwah. And everybody,